So, we all know that money is a tool that can help you achieve your objectives. It can provide your family with comfort and stability, make future planning easier, and allow you to save for important milestones. But in order to accomplish these goals, you must understand how to make your money work for you. So, making your money work for you entails taking control of your finances and then using that control to improve your financial stability and security over time. And through investing, you may eventually be able to achieve financial independence or build wealth. But none of that can happen unless you first understand where your money is going and learn better ways to use it. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how your money can make you more money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So I'm going to share with you 6 ways money can make you money. It's as simple as making your money work for you. So let's start with the first one, okay? The first way is to get it into a high-yield savings account. A high-yielding savings account can serve as a safe haven for your money before deploying it to more profitable but riskier ventures. FDIC-insured high-yield savings account typically pay to 20 to 25 times more than traditional savings account, so that your money can generate more money while waiting to be called and perform other tasks. Assume you have an extra $10,000 and aren't sure of the best way to make it work for you. Keeping it in a high-yield savings account with a 2% annual percentage yield will yield $200 in a year. Second is a retirement account. So the most important retirement accounts are 401ks and IRAs. These are your savings and investment accounts that are invested in the market with the promise of exponential growth. So a 401k is a type of employer-sponsored retirement plan. It's ideal for people who lack the self-discipline to save money on their own because the money is deducted directly from their paycheck. So you invest pre-tax dollars in a 401k. This means that your taxable income for that year is reduced in order to maximize the benefits of your 401k. After you've established your emergency fund, begin saving as soon as possible, as much as you can. The next goal is to maximize the 401k's tax efficiency and get your money into the market so it can start making money for you. So if your employer matches your contribution, make the maximum contribution to avoid leaving money on the table. After you've maxed out your 401k, begin investing in an IRA independent retirement arrangement, also known as a Roth IRA. Traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs are self-directed retirement accounts. So the difference between the two is that you can contribute pre- or post-tax dollars to a traditional IRA. Your money grows tax-free and you can withdraw it tax-free and penalty-free after the age of 59 and a half. The IRA and 401k aren't the only options for retirement savings. Other lesser-known options to consider include simple IRA plans, savings incentive match plans for employees, CEP plans, simplified employee pension, payroll deduction IRAs, profit-sharing plans, PSP's health savings account, HSA, and profit-sharing plans. So retirement funds are typically invested in mutual funds, CDs, ETFs, stocks, bonds, and other financial assets. No matter which you choose, it makes sense to start early with whatever retirement plan you choose to grow your nest egg. The third way is stock market. So when you've made the maximum allowable contribution to retirement plans, you should think about investing in the stock market if you want your money to work for you. However, avoid market timing and day trading. That is trading stocks in order to profit from market fluctuations. A long-term investing strategy is also known as a buy and hold strategy is preferable. This is a conservative approach to investing in which you purchase a security such as a stock mutual fund, bond, or ETF and hold it for an extended period of time. So you have to try this. Because the result, the investment is not vulnerable to short-term market fluctuations. As a long-term investment, you will hold onto your investments in the hope that the sector in which you invested will have grown significantly in the future. You write out whatever new development occurs over the period in the hope that your investment will have yielded a reasonable return in the next 10 years or more. The fluctuation should even out over time. resulting in overall gain. Okay, assuming a 10% annual return, a $10,000 investment after 10 years would yield around $25,937. Even better if you add $5,000 to your portfolio each year. So in the same time frame, your investment will grow to a whopping $105,625. Okay, assume you lack the time and expertise to manage your portfolio on your own. So in that case, robo-advisors can now use advanced algorithms to automate your investment portfolio. Betterment and Wealthfront, for example, will create a customized portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and other preferences. They will provide you with a diversified portfolio comprised of multiple funds in order to reduce your risks. Index funds, individual stocks, target date funds, and real estate investment funds are some other ways to invest in the stock market and have it generate money for you. Are you having a blast learning about this? I so want to hear about what you want to say. So you know what? Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. Now stick with me since we're going to the fourth. Now the fourth tip is real estate. Housing is one of the most basic human needs, and there is always a demand for it. As a result, investing in real estate is a great way to make more money for yourself. You have the option of investing in either residential or commercial real estate. Real estate investment generates income in two ways: appreciation and rental income. When you sell a property that has appreciated in value over time, you make a profit. When investing in real estate, keep in mind that location improvements and development accelerate property appreciation. The most important factor in residential property appreciation is location. When amenities such as transit routes, shopping malls, schools, and recreational facilities sprout up in a neighborhood, the value rises significantly. Rental income is the second way to make money from real estate. Your tenants pay a monthly fixed amount known as rent, which applies to both residential and commercial properties. So let's look at some of the practical ways you can start earning money from real estate. So the first step is flipping. Not that kind of flipping. Flipping is the process of purchasing a property, improving it quickly, and then selling it to profit. So you must have an eye for viable properties when flipping properties. You should be able to easily calculate the underlying cost of improving the property to the desired level, as well as potential value. You should also be able to repair them yourself or hire a remodeling company. The second option is to buy and hold, and in this case, you purchase a residential or commercial property and rent it out. You can manage the property yourself or hire a management company to relieve you of the stress that comes with being a landlord. The next is vacation rentals. You can make some money by renting out a house or a room for a short period of time. Companies such as Airbnb have made it simple for homeowners and property investors to profit from this trend by catering to travelers. This is especially beneficial if your property is in a popular tourist destination. These kind of things are high in demand because many vacationers prefer them to staying in hotels. Now the next way is business. So starting your own business allows you to make a lot of money, although not without risk. Investing in a startup can pay off handsomely. So if you can't stand the stress of starting a business, you can be a silent partner by investing in someone else's venture. You will not have control over the day-to-day operations of the business, but if all goes well, you will be able to share the company's profits without breaking a sweat. And the sixth and last way is self-improvement. Another way your money can help you is by increasing your worth. Invest time and money in improving your marketable skills, and you will reap the financial benefits in no time. So look for certifications and professional degrees that will position you as a high earner and in high demand in your industry. It doesn't have to be expensive, nor does it have to be 4 years at an Ivy League university. There are a lot of online courses that can further your education at a low cost and become certified in your areas of interest. So in conclusion, if you know how to use your money correctly, it can make money for you. The suggestions above can all be classified as passive income sources, meaning they generate money without requiring much effort. The best part about passive income is that it continues to pay you even while you sleep. However, this is not an exhaustive list, and there are numerous other passive income sources available. So you got this, okay? So now that you know what these are you ready to venture into some? You know what? Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!